Okay guys, my name's Jack, KY4TPR. I'm the repeater book admin for Kentucky. So here's a quick tutorial on how to use the proximity search. So you'll want to go into your repeater search. From here you don't even have to do much. You just go into location. And then you can either type your city or your zip code here. I'm going to show how to use latitude and longitude so you can get real specific, like your QTH. So open up Google Maps. I've picked our county EOC location here. And then if you go up at the top in the address bar, you'll see some numbers. These are your coordinates, your lat long. So you'll copy that, paste it in the lat, go back to Google Maps. If I could select that 7, there we go. Copy the negative symbol because we are west, not east. So negative is west. Paste that into the longitude. Let me turn my radio down. I'm going to do a 100-mile search. Delete. Alright, and then we're going to search for the 2-meter band. You can also do the 70 centimeter band or any other bands you want, or you can just do one. You can look for a specific frequency. We're going to do all of them, or if you can look for a call sign. And then also you got other kind of options, ePower, their Echolink. If you don't select them, it'll search for FM. So we're just going to leave FM only. I don't want to use any of the other modes right now, so you can choose if they're on the air only. Open repeaters, and then we're going to sort by distance, location, frequency, call sign, etc. Click search, and then here you go. So here's a list of all the repeaters sorted by distance. And this is a mix, 2 meter and 70 centimeters. So once you're here, got a whole list of frequencies, or I'm sorry, a whole list of repeaters. Once you're here, you click export. You've got, or you hover over export, and then you've got all kinds of options here. I usually like the CSV option, which is basically Excel. So click this. And then, of course, it's a warning. Make sure you're not selling this information because Repeater Book is a free service. Click OK. And then you're going to get into all of your, wherever you want to save it. So I've got it saved here. Just a generic name. Click Save. And there you go.